Video and photography lighting is one of the trickiest things to nail. But what if I told you I had a $45 solution? This is the Aputure AL-M9, and it packs a really big punch in a not so big package. The first thing about the AL-M9 that grabs your eyes is the size. It's really light and has the same dimensions as a credit card. The brightness of this light is exceptional. While the lowest setting is reminiscent of a weaker key light, the brightest setting is blinding to look at, and in between the two, you'll find no less than 9 stops to fine-tune your exposure. Oh, and included is an exceptionally useful little black pouch, divided into 2 sections. In the first is the light and 12 colored gels, although I only got 3 back when I first got the light. A diffuser, a blue or cold gel, and an orange or warm gel for modifying the color temperature. But I think you'll find the way you install these gels pretty clever. The 4 spots in each corner are magnets, and they allow the front plate to slip right off. I have to admit, this is one easy and efficient way to do it. Plus, all sorts of these gels can be found online for really cheap. In this second pouch pocket is the charging cable and a hot shoe mount with a built-in screw mount, making this already a perfect setup for low-light vlogging. What this also means is tripods and gorilla pods can be used to maximize the AL-M9's potential. It's clear that Aputure has given thought to the package, even including a carabiner on the back, so you can hook the pouch to your backpack or camera bag. Now, the light does get a bit warm, and at max brightness lasts about 45 minutes on a single charge. However, I rarely do use it at full intensity, and dialed down, the battery life is more around 2 hours. A micro USB cable is included. So, who is this for? I think that whether you do photography, videography, or both, this small light is something you should be carrying around, and the $45 price tag leaves little room for excuses. From great compatibility with gels, to a hot shoe mount that screws onto tripods, to a startling brightness for the size. This is one exceptional piece of kit. Oh, and as always, the link will be in the description, under the red subscribe button. See you later.